In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a card reader to Shopify. This process will help streamline your checkout experience, ultimately making transactions smoother and more efficient for both you and your customers. Whether you're a new business owner or looking to optimize your existing setup, we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. To begin, ensure that your card reader is compatible with Shopify. Shopify supports a variety of card readers, mainly depending on your location. Commonly used ones include Shopify's own card reader and other supported devices. Before proceeding further, check Shopify's website for a comprehensive list of compatible card readers. Once you have the right card reader, unbox it and make sure it's charged and switched on. Having the device fully charged ensures you won't experience any disruptions during setup or while you're conducting a transaction. Next, let's tackle how you can connect the card reader to your device. If you're using an iPad, tablet, or smartphone, ensure the Bluetooth feature is activated. This step is crucial as most card readers rely on Bluetooth connectivity to pair with your device. Open the POS, or point of sale, app on your device. If this is your first time using the Shopify POS app, simply download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in with your Shopify account credentials. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu located towards the bottom of the screen. There, you'll find the Hardware section. Click on Hardware and select the option to connect a card reader. The app will start scanning for available devices nearby. Make sure your card reader is close enough to connect and visible to your device. When you see your card reader's name appear on the list, select it. If prompted, confirm the connection by following any on-screen instructions. With the card reader now connected, it's a good time to verify that it's functioning correctly. You can do this by running a test transaction. Use a low-value product, one that you can refund later if needed. During the checkout process, select the card payment option and follow the prompts. Insert, swipe, or tap a card on the reader. A successful transaction will indicate that everything is correctly synced up. If the transaction doesn't go through, check the battery level of the card reader and confirm that Bluetooth is still switched on. Restarting both the app and the card reader can also resolve unexpected connectivity issues. In conclusion, setting up your card reader is not only essential for smooth business operations but also enhances customer service by reducing wait times and simplifying payment procedures. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have your card reader connected to Shopify in no time, ready to handle transactions swiftly and securely. Give yourself a pat on the back for ensuring your store is equipped to handle the modern demand for seamless payment experiences. If you have any further questions or need additional support, Shopify's support team is just a call or click away. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep serving your customers with ease and efficiency.